Hello everyone, welcome back. I had a few people ask me how I do my editing being paralyzed, so I figured I'd put this picture in the corner, give you guys an idea. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to make multicolored 3D text. In the past, we had to use a workaround using a 2D text node, Text Plus, in Fusion, and connecting it to the 3D to do character level styling. Here's a lot easier this way. We'll start out on the edit page. As usual, go to Media Pool, right click, New Fusion Comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there. I'm going to try to throw together a 3D comp real quick. Click away right about here. Shift space and S text. And shift space and extrude. And a 3D merge, camera, light, and render. Plug it into media out and it should go in viewer 2. Select the text node. Put the text you're liking in. And to see the text, select the camera node, go to transform, select use target, and rotate the z-axis to the right, and your text will show in viewer 2. Now we'll put the merge in viewer 1. Select the render, change the render type from software to hardware, and enable lighting and shadows. Even though I have a light connected, you'll see we don't have no light in viewer 2. That's because the light is on the back side of the text. Select the spotlight node, go to transform, select use target, and rotate the Z to the right, and the light will come back. And you should now have light in viewer 2. Let's set it up something like that. Go to controls, open the cone angle all the way up. I don't have a middle mouse wheel on my handicap controller. That's why I use that drop down menu like I do. Move around the screen. We'll add some excursion to this. I'm going to go to 0.012. Take the subdivisions all the way up. And the smoothing angle all the way up. Go back to the transform. Our pivot point is at the back of the text. We'll move that to the middle. Go to pivot. 0.006, which is half of what the extrude is. 0.012. There's a little light switch up here too. It helps you see sometimes if you change it. Okay, let's add the color. I'll put the text node in viewer 1. I like to zoom way up on it. Select the text node. Go into text box, right click. Character level styling. Now just highlight one character at a time. I will leave a card in the corner and a link to the other tutorial I just done with the regular 3D text, where it shows you kind of have to cheat to make it work. This way is a lot easier. Now that that's highlighted, should be highlighted in green. Go to the modifier. I should show you this. Now we go to the modifier. I want to show you that there's no controls here. But as soon as you highlight one, Now you'll have controls. And you could do anything here. Make the one bigger, smaller. We're just going to change the colors. And then go to the next one. Highlight it in green. Next one. And you do have shading here. We just did the one character because it's highlighted in viewer one. Make multiple ones, or every other one if you want. Go to 2, enable. Put a highlight around. Put a stroke around it. There's a whole lot you can do. I'm not going to waste too much time. For the sake of the tutorial, I basically wanted to show you an easy way to make multicolored 3D text. Let's make it look a little bit better. And go to custom. And don't worry if you screw this up, just right click in it and reset. Like that. Highlight top ones. Hit F on the keyboard. And then pull these handles out. And take the subdivisions all the way up. Go back to the modifier. And change the font. I just changed it to semi-bold. So I'm going to do one character. I want to change them all. Highlight every one of them. Or you can do all of them individual. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.